Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Cullum Costello. Thank you so much for tuning in the video. Today we're going to talk about two stocks that are Bitcoin mining stocks. I believe they'll correlate with the price of Bitcoin, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin take off drastically lately. So with that being said, you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and these are fun and educational purposes only. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you want to learn how to make your money start working for you, well, that's what this channel does. So hit that subscribe button down below. We'd love to have you. Now, let's get into the video. So first, let's look at what a Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It only exists electronically. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it doesn't have a central issuing authority or a political institution that controls the amount of Bitcoin in circulation. But the Bitcoin platform is far from anarchy. The whole process is pretty simple and organized. Bitcoin holders are able to transfer Bitcoins via a peer-to-peer network. These transfers are tracked on the blockchain, commonly referred to as a giant ledger. This ledger records every Bitcoin transaction ever made. Each block in the blockchain is built up of a data structure based on encrypted Merkle trees. This is particularly useful for detecting fraud or corrupted files. If a single file on a chain is corrupt or fraudulent, the blockchain prevents it from damaging the rest of the ledger. Instead of relying on a government to print new currency, Bitcoin's blockchain programming handles when Bitcoins are made and how many are produced. It also keeps track of where Bitcoins are and ensures the transactions are accurate. Since there's no central regulatory agency or government that controls the amount of Bitcoin in circulation, this was created by design and will be capped at 21 million. Right now, there are about 18.5 million in circulation, and the rest are being mined and said to not be mined to full potential until about the year 2040. Let's look at what Bitcoin mining is, and then we'll take a look at some huge news that came out, take a look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we'll look at the two stocks that are Bitcoin miners that I believe will correlate with Bitcoin and hopefully follow it on its way up. Bitcoin miners work as auditors verifying previous Bitcoin transactions. Bitcoin mining is the process of creating new Bitcoin by solving a computational puzzle using very complex, high-speed powered computers to speed up the operation. So when these computers solve these complex math problems on the Bitcoin network, they produce new Bitcoin. By solving these problems, they make the Bitcoin network trustworthy by verifying transaction info. When someone sends a Bitcoin somewhere, this is a transaction. Transactions made in-store or online are documented by banks, point-of-sale systems, and physical receipts. Bitcoin miners achieve the same thing by clumping these into blocks and adding them to a public record called the blockchain. Bitcoin miners receive Bitcoin, which motivates people to assist in the primary purpose of mining. This keeps the blockchain trustworthy and helps support the network. This is spread amongst many users all over the world, so that is why it is considered decentralized. Now let's check out some recent news that came out, and it is big news for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is huge news for Bitcoin that came out. PayPal will let customers buy cryptocurrencies and use them to shop online. Company plans to initially let users buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin in the PayPal wallet. PayPal Holdings plans to allow customers to buy cryptocurrency through their accounts and use cryptocurrency for merchant payments. That's pretty amazing. Bitcoin has taken off huge on this news. We'll look at the chart in a second. The company announced Wednesday that it is introducing a way for customers to buy, hold, and sell certain cryptocurrencies within PayPal wallet. This will roll out over the coming weeks in the US. So this is huge news for Bitcoin, as I already said. In my opinion, we should see the move up continue, but let's look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart and see what this news did to the Bitcoin chart today. Here's a candlestick chart of Bitcoin. We can see the previous highs there. We can see the PayPal news and that huge volume candle that just broke through the previous highs on this PayPal news. This is huge news for Bitcoin. This is great news for these two stocks we're about to talk about, in my opinion, as I do own one of them. I woke up this morning and I saw pre-market, it was up substantially, so I thought something's got to be going on, and then I saw this PayPal news. So let's take a look at those two stocks. So as said before, these are Bitcoin mining stocks, and the first one we're going to take a look at is ticker symbol RIOT. It's Riot Blockchain. Bitcoin is disrupting the future of worldwide currencies and payment systems. Riot Blockchain is focused on supporting the Bitcoin ecosystem through proof-of-work mining. We are believers in the Bitcoin opportunity, and our continued efforts aimed at growing our mining operation demonstrates our commitment to the Bitcoin network. Riot is one of the largest US-based publicly traded Bitcoin miners in North America, and we are constantly working to improve our efficiency and production. Well, let's hop on over to Yahoo Finance, punch in the old ticker, and see what Riot Blockchain's trading at right now. Here we are on Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol RIOT, Riot Blockchain. We can see that they are trading right now after market at $4 a share, almost a 13% move up. So this PayPal news is huge. Price of Bitcoin explodes through the roof, and Riot pretty much correlates to the price of Bitcoin. It's done very well when Bitcoin is broken out. It's been one of the better movers out of all the Bitcoin stocks. So this was ticker symbol RIOT, Riot Blockchain. Check it out if you want to get invested in it. Once again, ticker symbol RIOT, Riot Blockchain. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we're going to take a look at ticker symbol MARA for Marathon Patent Group. Marathon Patent Group is also a Bitcoin miner. So let's look at Marathon Patent Group. Quick overview on Marathon. Marathon is a digital asset technology company that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. We currently operate one mining facility in Quebec. And back on over to Yahoo Finance under ticker symbol MARA for Marathon Patent Group. We can see they're trading at $2.85 after hours. They had a 15.5% move up. So a little bit bigger of a move for Marathon on the PayPal and Bitcoin news. But Riot's been doing a little bit better on the Bitcoin and correlation. But we shall see. Both these stocks, I think, will do very well with the move of Bitcoin. Hopefully we continue to see this move up. Well, hopefully you learned something about Bitcoin, a little bit about Bitcoin mining, and check out those two stocks, Riot and Mara. Last time Bitcoin exploded, they went through the roof. You guys, there's a comment section down below, and I love hearing from each and every one of you. So do me a favor, let me know what you think of Riot or Mara, and let me know if you own any or if you own some Bitcoin. Like I said, I love hearing from each and every one of you. Also, down in the description below, we do have some other videos and affiliate links. If you haven't got a trading platform yet, there's a Webull link down there. There's E-Trade. There's a high interest savings with Yada Savings Bank. And there's Acorns Passive Investing. So that would help out the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Till next time, I'm Cullum Costello. Hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.